Millions buy fake World Cup jerseys without realizing they fund dangerous global criminal networks. Counterfeit sportswear generates nearly 450 billion euros across worldwide illegal trade annually. Official player jerseys often cost almost $200, pushing fans toward cheaper copies. Many families simply cannot afford every new football kit released each season anymore.
Large factories manufacture thousands of counterfeit football jerseys every single day before tournaments worldwide.
Some facilities produce up to 50,000 fake jerseys daily during World Cup seasons. Advanced printing technology makes counterfeit jerseys surprisingly convincing to ordinary football supporters everywhere today.
Some super fake jerseys appear nearly identical to authentic products for unsuspecting buyers worldwide.
Many counterfeit shipments begin inside major textile manufacturing regions throughout Asia before export worldwide. Fast shipping networks deliver counterfeit football jerseys directly to international customers within only days.
Online marketplaces dramatically expanded counterfeit jersey sales across every continent through digital platforms today.
Dropshipping allows counterfeit sellers to avoid warehouses while reaching worldwide football fans efficiently today.
Investigators say counterfeit profits frequently strengthen organized criminal groups across international illegal business operations worldwide. Illegal earnings often move through sophisticated money laundering systems spanning numerous countries across continents worldwide.
Many workers endure exhausting hours under unsafe conditions, producing counterfeit football jerseys for global markets.
Illegal workshops often ignore worker safety while maximizing production speed and profits every single day. Independent testing discovered dangerous substances inside certain counterfeit football clothing sold through illegal markets. Lead, arsenic, and cadmium may remain hidden inside counterfeit fabric fibers, harming unsuspecting consumers potentially. Some counterfeit jerseys ignite faster than genuine products during independent laboratory fire safety testing procedures. Buying from unknown websites increases risks of payment fraud and stolen financial information significantly.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.